Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are all doing well today. I am very pleased to be with you today. So, this is my best friend. Her name is Warin Diari.
Hello everyone, I'm very pleased to be here with you too. And this is my best friend. Her name is Ronya Salam.
Nice to meet you, Warin Diari.
Nice to meet you, Ronya Salam. And today I'm going to talk about a very crucial topic known as
Protecting our environment. Protecting our environment is very necessary for us human beings. That's why we chose it, because we feel like it just hasn't been discussed enough.
So let's get into it.
So, before we get into the topic, we have a short film of how our generation and our environment has been looking nowadays. Why? It's all because of us. It's all our fault. It's because of these factories that we're creating, polluting the air that we breathe ourselves, littering and throwing trash away everywhere. This is what it does to our environment, and it has a risk on our own health. So if we do not stop, we will soon go through a very big global warming. So, the first slide is the introduction slide. These are the topics that we're going to be covering today. The first one is, what is environmental protection?
The second one is a question. Why are they important?
And the third one is also a question. What is sustainability?
And the fourth one is, how do we protect our environment at home as a family?
And then we have the fifth one, which is, how do we protect our environment at school, as students and as teachers?
And the sixth one is, how do we protect our environment in our daily life as humans?
And then last but not least is a quote, which is, our planet, our responsibility. So, before we get deeper into the topic, some of you may not know what environmental protection is. Environmental protection is the practice of protecting our environment every day by individuals, groups, and of course by our government. If we don't protect our environment as a team, of course, we're not going to reach any objectives.
And our objectives are to protect our natural resources and not waste them all in one go, because we can't be selfish. The future needs these resources, because we have to develop and continue with new generations. So let's go on to the next slide, and the next slide starts with a question. Why are they important? These are three topics we're going to discuss. The first one is the environment. Why is the environment important? Because the environment produces our air, our energy, and our crops, and we need those to live.
And the second one is health. Nowadays, there has been so many cancer cases going on, so many environmental related diseases. It's all because of this air that we breathe and what we do to our own environment. It has a risk on our own health. So if we actually start to save our environment and protect our environment, it also lowers the risk of environmental related diseases.
And the last one is economy.